First, we will create a new virtual machine, then write the name, choose where you want to save, and then select the ISO image. After that, modify the hardware, storage capacity, and then finish. Then navigate to installation, and we will wait for the installation process. And then we will click next. Click yes for online repositories, select all repositories, and then click trust. Select a system role and the disk partition, and then we will set the region and time zone, and then fill the name and the password. Then click install if all data entered is correct with the installation. And now we can see the desktop of OpenSUSE, and we will go to file management. First, view directory contents. So the command ls is to display list file in current directory, and then ls-l to display the tile list file, ls-a to display list files including hidden file, and ls-lh to display in more human readable format. Second is change directory. cd command is to move the directory location. And then the third is create. mkdir command is to create a new directory. Touch is to create a new file. And then the fourth is read files. The cat command is to view the content of file. And then the fifth is update. Nano command is to enter the Nano text editor and can editing that file. The sixth is delete. rmdir command is to delete directories. rmin-r is to delete directories along with all its content. rmin-i is to delete with confirmation. And rmin-f is to delete with force. 7 is move. mv command is to move file or folder to destination location. mv with folder group 2 separated by space with folder new folder is moving folder that is group 2 to the folder new folder. mv with file new file separated by space with folder new folder is moving the file new file to the folder new folder. 8 is rename. mv command also used to rename file or folder. Last is search. Find is command to search file or folder. Find with the location and min type f. Min name with the type file is to search file with specific extension in that location. Next is management memory. We'll open system monitor application provided with OpenSUSE. We can monitor the processes, resources, and file system. You can see like this. Using CLI, we enter the root. Free command is to display information about the system memory usage. Top is to display in real time about memory usage by running process. And then vmstat is to display performance, swap usage, and IO activity. ps-min-aux is to display a complete list of all running process. And then this command can see to sort the list by descending CPU usage. Next, for virtual memory swap, we will use dd to create a swap file with the size you want. Then we'll set the write permission, and then format it to swap. And the truncat min as 0 will set file to 0 size. And then chatter is allowing to set certain attribute. Vallocate command to allow a user to reserve or deallocate this space to file. After that, we'll type chmod and mkswap command again. Activate the swap file by type swap pun. You can turn off the swap file by type swap off command. And you can also delete the swap file by type rminf swap file. And last, you can shut down the running process by the kill command. You can see like this.